An overflowing blessings to everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 12, verse 4 and to 5. And Abram departed as the Lord had spoken unto him, and Lot went with him. And Abram was 70 and 5 years when he departed out of Haran. And Abram took Sarai his wife, and Lot his brother's son, and all their substance that they had gathered, and the soul that they had gotten in Haran, and they went forth to go into the land of Canaan. And into the land of the Canaan they came. So from the land of Haran, Abram departed and go to the land of Canaan, the promised land. God already commanded Abram to leave the land of Haran to go to the land of Canaan, and he obeyed. He obeyed regardless of unforeseen circumstances. He never set foot before to the land of Canaan, but he just obeyed. He never complained, and that's faith. It's by faith that by his faith he obeyed, and that's why from Haran he go to Canaan, a foreign land, but God bless him.